One day it seemed God was so overworked with so many people coming to him with their problems, that he decided to take a break by going to some faraway place where no one could find him. Therefore, he called an assembly of his heavenly counselors to confer upon this proposal of a vacation for God. The first counselor said, "Perhaps you should take a vacation deep down to the ocean bed. It is too dark and too deep for people to want to go there." However, God said, "No, they will surely find me. They are so good at probing the earth, they will dig into the depths of it." The second said, "Maybe you should travel to the far side of the moon. It is too cold and too quiet for them to want to go there." But God answered, "No, men have already conquered the moon. They are such good explorers, they will surely venture to the ends of the universe. No, soon they will find me too." Then, an old sage stood up and spoke softly with wisdom and clarity. "Master, I know the perfect place for you to hide. Hide in the human heart. They are so scared to enter into themselves, they will never find you." Despite the fact that introspection is far more important than exploring the world, many people excel at exploring the world, but struggle to truly look within. While diligently accumulating knowledge and traveling the world is beneficial, you must never neglect introspection. The God of truth lies hidden within you.